here for the robots. There are it's a total of 4 different leagues in RoboCup. You have a small size league here where you have robots that are about 3 feet tall. Or there's not 3 feet. Like a foot and a half tall. You have another league where the robots are about 4 feet tall, and one where they're about 5 foot tall.
It's cute.
And so we compete in 2 of those leagues here. So I'm showing you the small size, and then there's a 4th league, which is called the Standard Platform League. And this one is where we actually have mostly undergraduates running the robot here. Let's see if we find the ball. This is Clorax, and Clorax can find the ball. And so you have the same exact thing on the now side. This is called a now robot. This is called a Darwin. And on the now side, the only difference is that instead of making the robot, you just program it from scratch. It still has a lot of different problems in terms of solving some of these difficult robotics locomotion problems, but you don't have to worry about the hardware, and that's really good for undergraduates who don't necessarily have as much time in their hands to be able to fix motors when they break, or cables, sensors, things like that. You can actually focus on the intelligence, some of that stuff that matters. What you can do, you can have some get-up routines. And so our team's actually really quick at running these get-up routines, and has a pretty good kick in this league. And what that's allowing us to do is actually reach the semifinals very predictably, very reliably. And so this robot, I guess, took maybe 5th place, I think, this year in the competition, which is pretty cool. And then our robot over here, Linus and Company, took 1st place. And let's see if
Can you pit them against each other?
So I'll explain how that works. Otherwise, did you die? I'll put it back. So what you do is you put 3 of these rooms on a wireless network, which becomes a pain when you have like 5 of these in a room. Everybody's sending packets over there. And so they're able to say, look, I see the ball. Don't run towards the ball. The goalkeeper is trying to figure out, where he is in the box. A lot of times the goalkeeper is like a little 3-year-old in microsoccer, right? They're running all over the place and all over the goal. And so it's actually a very hard localization problem in order for the goalie to figure out where they are. And so I guess there are around 25, 30 teams in each league. And they come from all over, from Japan and Germany and China and Italy and Mexico, Iran, all kinds of places. And so this year, I guess our now team played against, I forget exactly, Sorry, we'll find it. So our Darwin team played in the championship, the Japanese, for the 2nd year in a row. So it seems like America and Japan are the top 2 more robust than a lot of others, just because we have we test with these red chips.
Have you ever thought about making the feet on your robots red so all the other robots?
So they have regulations about that. More robust than a lot of others, just because we have we test with these red chips.
Have you ever thought about making the feet on your robots red so all the other robots?
So they have regulations about that.